Just got this today. It's the Grizzly 12-inch vice-mounted slip roll, model T10727. Came in the package. All I had to do was install this little shelf with a 2.5mm Allen screws, and on this side I had to screw on the handle, which seems to be a nice roller handle. It has like a wax paper over the rollers. I haven't even taken that off yet. They look pretty darn nice. It's got your hazard stuff down here. What surprised me, these ends are these knobs. Let me get you a close-up on them. There you can see the knob. It's got like micrometer adjustments when you turn it. Very nice feature. There's a little line on the bottom here on each end, so you know you've got both ends the same. It is supposed to be good for up to 20 gauge, I do believe. Let me look. 20 gauge mild steel. Now it has 5 grooves. Let me move you over here. It has 5 grooves here for rolling wire. It goes from 1/32, 1/16, 1/8, 5/32, and 3/16. So you can roll those different size wires and make rings out of them or whatever you need to do. I have a project in mind for this. I hope it'll work because I think it's thicker steel than this, but it's expanded metal. So we'll see how it'll work. So far it looks really good. The rollers and everything roll real nice. The bottom one and the top one, there's a gearbox here you can see. And those two are geared together, and this back one just coasts, and that's what does the rolling. So I think I need to clean some oil off of it, and then we'll give it a try. Okay, I kind of familiarized myself with the machine using a piece of brass shim stock that was pretty thin. Now I'm trying to make the handguard for my AR-15 out of some expanded metal. I've ran it through there a few times. I found that these adjustments on the end for the roller in the back, I basically just look to see how many threads are showing on this screw on the bottom side to get them evened up. And when you run it through, make sure you start it in straight. And then I just turn it back around and run it through again. And what that does is when you run it through there, it will create a little bit of a straight edge before it hits the back roller, and then it'll start rolling, and your roll won't be right to the end. And if you swap it in for ends, sometimes that'll help even that all up, make it round, clear out to the end. So I'm adjusting it again. This is only good for 20 gauge. I measured this, it's about 16 gauge, but it's got all those holes, so I think I was hoping that it would roll it just fine because it's not a solid piece of sheet. And it seems to be coming around. I'm just going a little bit at a time since it's thicker. Got 4 threads showing there. 4 there. I want to roll it to where the both ends meet. It makes a complete tube. So I'm just going to have to go a little at a time. Starting to come around where I can catch it with my bad arm. You can see how much is coming around. Then it's made so once it's a complete ring, this top ruler will come out of there, and you can pull your piece off the end then. Seems to be working really good. Starting to come around. This is pretty nice. I'm happy with it. Might have went a little too far. Almost touching now.